Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SPSS. First, ensure the software is correctly installed on your system. Once installed, launch the application to open the main window. You will immediately notice two crucial tabs at the bottom, Data View and Variable View. These views are fundamental for organizing and managing your data effectively. We will explore each of these in more detail to get you started smoothly. Next, let's focus on data entry and variable definition. Navigate to the variable view to define each of your variables. Give each variable a clear name, specify its type, and add descriptive labels. After defining your variables, switch to the data view. Here, you will input your raw data, with each row representing a case and each column representing a variable. Remember to assign the correct measurement level for accurate analysis. Now that your data is ready, it is time to run some basic analyses. Go to the Analyze menu at the top of the screen. From there, select the statistical procedure you wish to perform, such as descriptive statistics or frequency analysis. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to select the variables for your analysis. Move your chosen variables into the correct fields, click OK, and SPSS will generate your output in a new window. Finally, let's talk about saving and exporting your work. It is crucial to save your data file frequently to avoid losing any progress. Remember to also save your output file, which contains all your analysis results, as a separate document. SPSS allows you to export both your data and your output into various formats, such as Microsoft Excel or PDF. This makes sharing your findings with colleagues or for presentations incredibly straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.